all my beautiful people, I'm your girl Avneet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are watching this video and are doing well, and if you ask me, I'm doing really well. Tell you why? I finally feel like I have set a skincare regime that I can rely on and even talk to you all about. Mainly because it has worked very well for me. I've had many skin issues growing up, and finding products that suit my skin type has always been a real struggle. Basically, my skin is both oily and dry, and I had to figure out a skincare routine to fix all the issues I was dealing with. So take a look at this picture of me with so many bumps on my face. While growing up, I was exposed to the limelight at a very young age, and having pimples on my skin would really make me feel insecure. And taking care of my skin had become an extremely important part of it. To tackle all the skin-related issues I was facing, I watched a lot of videos online about skincare and what one must do to improve the overall health of the skin. I also tried various products before deciding what suits on my skin the best. And once I started dedicated skincare regime, I began noticing a lot of differences on my skin. I followed some skincare steps religiously, and the results were just incredible. So the one product that I will highlight and talk to you about specifically is the Garnier Vitamin C Serum, which was a total game changer for me. To be honest, I think the minute that I started using this serum, I got the best results, and it improved my overall skin's health as well. But let me tell you, I chose this serum and continued using it after checking out various other products. I noticed how millions of people were giving positive reviews about this product, and that is when I decided to include it in my skincare routine. And surprisingly, the only product that suited my skin and gave me the best results was the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. It has earned my trust without any doubt, and I have never looked back since. It's not just me, but millions of Indians today have put their trust in the serum, and that is why this is India's #1 serum. So now let me tell you about my daily skincare routine. So I usually start off by washing my face with a cleanser, and on days when I feel that I have a little puffy eyes, I take some ice cubes and I massage my face like this for about 5 minutes. So doing this improves my blood circulation. After that, I put on a few drops of toner and dab it on my skin. And then I use the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. I usually take about 2 to 3 drops and I apply it evenly on my skin and neck using gentle tapping motions like this. And I make sure I use the serum religiously twice a day for the best results. After that, I apply a moisturizer and then I end it with a SPF 50 sunscreen for exclusive protection. I strongly recommend you all use this and add the serum to your daily skincare regime because it is enriched with 30 times vitamin C, and the benefits this product offers are remarkable. The Garnier Vitamin C Serum helps in fading dark spots and dullness, and it also brightens the skin in just 3 days. The Garnier Vitamin C Serum is considered safe and beneficial for all skin types when it is used properly. It's a powerful antioxidant that can help brighten the complexion, even out the skin tone, and also protect the skin from environmental damage. Vitamin C can increase the skin sensitivity to the sun. That's why it's always recommended to follow it up with a broad spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF to protect your skin from UV damage. The serum is a powerful combination of vitamin C, niacinamide, and salicylic acid. Let me tell you a little more about the importance of each of these ingredients. So vitamin C is well known for its antioxidant properties, and it has an incredible potential to brighten the skin. Not just that, but it also helps in reducing the appearance of dark spots. On the other hand, we have niacinamide, vitamin B3. It is often used in skincare products for its soothing and skin barrier enhancing effects. Finally, the magical salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that is commonly used to exfoliate the skin and treat acne effectively. You should know that each of these ingredients helps the skin in different ways, and having a combination of all 3 ingredients in just one product offers extraordinary benefits to the skin without harming it. My favorite part about the Garnier Vitamin C Serum is that it is made of a non-oily, non-sticky formula that absorbs easily and goes deeper into your skin. We are already exposed to so much dust and pollution every day, and having to apply these products with harmful chemicals is a complete no-no for me. And that is why I love this serum so much, because it is free of sulfates and parabens. Now that I have told you all about the benefits of this product, I would totally recommend you all to include the Garnier Vitamin C Serum in your skincare routine. Trust me, you won't be disappointed, because it's a total game changer, guys. This serum totally changed my life, and I know it will change yours too. Links for the products are included in the description below. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, see you soon. Take care. Bye.